everyone, welcome back to my channel. If I look sweaty, it's because I just ran to Target to get a new memory card so that I could film this because mine somehow disappeared into my room. Today's video is really exciting. Basically, I am traveling to Peru in a few days, which is crazy. So I want to show you guys the new stuff that I picked up for the trip, as well as the other things that I'm packing that I already had. So it's going to be a little combination haul slash what I'm packing for Peru. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's definitely a good time to follow me because I'm going to be posting a lot of Peru content. I already know it. And it's gonna be really fun. So if you guys want to follow me, my handle is just at Tasha. So one of the super exciting parts of this trip is that I've actually teamed up with Kontiki for it. Kontiki is the #1 social travel company for 18 to 35-year-olds. And I'm also teaming up with Visit Peru. So basically I will be taking on Peru with Kontiki's Peru Uncovered trip with the help of Visit Peru, and I'm so excited. This trip is one of Kontiki's trips in the collection that visits the 7 wonders of the world, which is really awesome. This collection was actually just completed with the addition of their Israel and Jordan trip. So on this Peru Uncovered trip, we are doing so much. Of course, we are visiting Machu Picchu, which is going to be absolutely insane. We're going to explore all the markets in Cusco, and one night I'm pretty sure we're even staying in a jungle lodge. It's gonna be so much fun, guys. I am bringing Natalie with me, Natalie Barbu. She's another YouTuber, and we're gonna have so much fun, and it's gonna be great because everyone else on the trip is 18 to 35, so it's gonna be a really fun young crowd. Not only does Kontiki bring together all of these awesome, like-minded young people, but they are now bringing travelers to all of their bucket list 7 wonders of the world. I'm going to be putting a link down below if you guys want to follow along with any of these adventures, or if you want to book a trip for yourself, definitely check out the description. I'm personally really excited because when I travel, sometimes it can be stressful trying to squeeze in everything and figure out what you should go to, so I'm super excited to have an itinerary and have guides that know what they're talking about and can help me on my trip and show me the really important cool stuff. So I of course bought some stuff for this trip. Now I know I didn't need to, but I feel like it's always fun to kind of buy some new clothing items or new accessories before you go on a trip, and I definitely did that. So I want to show you guys the stuff that I've purchased for the trip, and then I'll go into the rest of the stuff and show you what I'm packing. I haven't packed everything yet just because I'm not leaving for a few days, and I'm sure I'm going to be picking some stuff up in the next few days, but this is the majority. Obviously I haven't packed like underwear and bras and that stuff yet, but I'm going to be showing you guys all the clothing and just kind of the more exciting stuff that I've already packed. And to preface this, I am an overpacker, especially for this trip, because I don't really know what to expect, and Peru is not exactly a place where there's going to be a Target on every corner where I can just go grab things, so I'm definitely overpacking, but bear with me. I'm going to try to link everything down below in the description that I show. Maybe not all the stuff that I'm packing, but at least this new stuff and anything else that I think you guys would want to see linked, I will try and link down below, so definitely check down there. Okay, so the first thing I got for this trip is probably going to be the most useful. I got a new pair of sneakers from Adidas, and the reason I got these is because I really don't have any good hiking shoes. Whenever I go hiking in LA, I just wear like the Nike Roches or whatever, and they have absolutely no traction, and I'm always slipping around. So I want to get a pair of sneakers that were good for hiking. I know I could have gotten like legit hiking shoes, but I think they're so ugly, I'm sorry, and I still want to look cute. I grabbed these sneakers from Adidas, and they're not the cutest in the world because they are made for hiking, and I'm pretty sure they're water resistant as well. They look like this. I thought they were great because they'll definitely match everything. As you can probably see, there is really nice tread on the bottom, which is going to be really nice to have. And I knew these would be perfect for the trip, and they will be perfect after the trip because I love doing hikes. Yeah, I'm sure you guys will be seeing these in my vlogs and my photos. Okay, the next thing was something else that I definitely needed. It is a rain jacket. Guys, I have never owned a rain jacket, and my explanation for that was because I live in LA and it doesn't rain, but this year it actually rained so much and I struggled every time. I didn't have an umbrella until this year, so I actually don't think it's the rainy season in Peru right now, but I thought it would be good to get a raincoat just in case, especially because we are going to be in the jungle and I'm pretty sure it's rainy there. Surprisingly enough, this one is from J. Crew. I wanted a raincoat that was cute and would match things for obvious reasons, but I still wanted it to be functional. So it looks like this. It's just a black raincoat, It has a hood, which I definitely wanted. It's pretty long. It has like a drawstring so I can cinch in the waist. Nothing too exciting, but I just thought this was the perfect raincoat. Happy about this, and if you guys do like this raincoat, I know they had a lot of different colors. I just decided to go with the black. I've been doing my research on what to pack for Peru, and the biggest thing I saw is that everyone said to bring layers. So I wanted to get a few layering pieces. I saw this hoodie on Aerie's website and it was on sale for only like $24 or something, and I just thought this would be perfect. I thought it was really cute and also would match everything. It's just this kind of like stonewashed black little hoodie. It has a zipper that goes halfway down. It's like a quarter zip, half zip. It has a little pocket in the front here. I got this in a size small. I normally wear an extra small, but I wanted this one to just be a little bit bigger, and I love the fit of this. My favorite material of shirt from Lululemon is that Swiftly Tech material. I don't know if that's what they call the material or if that's just what they call the shirts, but you guys might know what I mean if you guys are familiar with Lululemon styles. But I really wanted to get the black long sleeve of that shirt for a while now, and I just really didn't have a reason, except I thought for this trip it would be perfect because once again it's really nice for layering and it's really thin and lightweight, but at the same time I feel like it would keep me warm if I needed it. So I actually got this on eBay because I didn't really want to pay full price, and eBay was the cheapest spot I could find it for. So it's just their black long sleeve Swiftly Tech, I think that's what they call it. And then it has their little logo on the back. And I think I got this for like $34 on eBay, so pretty good because I think it retails for like $80 and I was not trying to pay that. So for a lot of the trip, I'm thinking I'm probably gonna just be wearing leggings and a sports bra and then those layering pieces. So I really wanted to get a cute workout set for this trip. I do have some, but I have been dying to have a red workout set for a while. I don't know why, it's just something that I wanted. So I saw this one on Revolve and it was perfect. It's like such a bright red, but it is by the brand TLA by Morgan Stewart. And I actually have another set from this brand. It's like this grayish snake print one, and I really like it. So you can see how bright of a red it is. I think they're so fun. The leggings look like this, and then the sports bra looks like this. It has like a little cross in the back. Really simple, but super bold with the color, and I just thought this with either of those tops layered over would be really cute. Okay, and one last clothing item. I did get another sports bra because it matches a pair of leggings that I already have, but I just didn't have anything that really matched them. So the sports bra was on sale. It's by the brand Varley. I have really cute leggings from Varley. They're the ones that I want to pair with this. It's like this nudie mauve snake print leggings. They're super cute, but I really like this sports bra. I like that it had white in it, so I can wear it with like my white leggings or white shorts, but I also just love the nude pink. I think it's really cute. Moving on to accessories, I ordered this little fanny pack from Herschel, and I think this is going to be perfect for when we're outside, hiking, whatever. I can fit my vlog camera in here, my phone, chapstick, hand sanitizer, band-aids. I think it's going to be great, and I think this will be really functional. I think this is nice. I like how simple it is. I'm definitely going to be wearing it like over my shoulder as well as around my waist, and I just thought this was a good thing to have. And the last accessory that I picked up was actually gifted to me from Calpac. I love Calpac. My 2 suitcases are actually from them. I bought them on my own and I love them, so I was really excited about this, and I think this is super cool and functional, so I want to show you guys. I'm not totally sure if this is out yet. I think it is. If it is, I'll totally link it down below. But basically it is their travel wallet. It looks like this. It has a bunch of straps. It has this little one. It also has this one you can adjust. I think it's this one you can adjust to be a fanny pack if you want, but what's really cool about this is that it's perfect for all of your cards and travel stuff. It has like a little pocket here in the front, a zip pocket in the back, and then when you open it up, you can see they have like a fake little boarding pass in there, but it's perfect for your boarding pass. And it has tons of slots for cards, which is really perfect. It even has like a little key ring in here if you wanted to put like keys or something on it. I've never had something like this. I always end up just bringing my normal little wallet and shoving a ton of stuff into it. So I'm really excited to use this, and I got it in the nude color with the yellow accents. I know they had a few other colors, but I just like this one a lot. All right, and then I went to Target this morning and picked up just kind of like the health toiletry side of things. So the first thing I got is just a bug spray. I also got this thing of band-aids. I actually ordered these on Amazon, but I thought they would be great. I'm always getting blisters on my feet. I picked up some makeup remover wipes. I was being cheap and didn't get the Neutrogena ones. I just got the Target brand, so hopefully they work just as well. And then I just grabbed some travel size minis. So I got a travel size toothpaste, a travel size deodorant, and a little travel sized Batiste dry shampoo. So that is everything that I purchased prior to the trip, but now I'm going to show you guys the rest of the stuff that I'm packing that I already owned. Alright guys, so I'm now sitting on my floor with my suitcase and I'm gonna dive in and show you guys all the stuff that I have. But I do want to also say this trip is 14 days. I don't think I said that before. So that's why I'm bringing a lot. I don't think we're gonna have the option to wash things and I want to have options on top of that. The first thing I want to show you, I should have showed you before this because I did buy this for the trip. It just happened to be with this stuff. It's just this all black LA Dodgers hat. I do have a Dodgers hat that's pretty similar. It's like gray with black, but I really wanted an all black hat and I think this one is so sleek. It's gonna go with everything. First up, I have my thing of toiletries. I haven't packed makeup or anything yet because I'm gonna be using that within the next few days, but in here I basically just have sunscreen. I have 2 Sun Bum hair products. These are the detangler and the anti-frizz oil mist. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be wearing my hair natural most of the time, if not all the time. I haven't decided if I want to bring like a flat iron or anything yet. I think it's gonna be humid, so I don't even know if that will be worth it, but I'm not totally sure. And then I also have a shampoo and conditioner in these little travel size thingies. I always put my purple shampoo in this purpley container and then my conditioner in the other one. Hopefully these will last me. I do have the dry shampoo, so I'm hoping I won't have to wash my hair too often. I'm also bringing a loofah and then some body wash. This is almost gone. I've brought this on a few trips, but once again, I'm hoping this will last. I have some lotion and then razor and a toothbrush. Oh my gosh, the worst thing is when your nail breaks and you don't have a nail file or nail clippers, so I always bring those. And then lastly, I just have some hydrocortisone cream in case I get any bites, and then I also have a bunch of ibuprofen. So that is what I currently have in this little toiletries bag. I'm sure I'll be adding stuff. I need to put like a hairbrush and stuff in here too, but this is going to be the majority. Okay, starting off with sweatshirts, I think I'm going to wear my USC hoodie to the airport. I don't have that one right now, but I think that's what I'm going to be wearing, so I probably will be having that one on the trip. But in terms of jackets and such, I have the Aerie one that I showed you. Then I'm just going to bring my Patagonia little quarter zip. I just feel like this is something that will be useful. It's really warm, so if it is one of the colder days, this layered over a long sleeve would probably be good. I also just have this black denim jacket that I think would be nice if I'm wearing one of my cuter outfits, and this matches everything. This one is actually from Brandy Melville. Okay guys, I packed a lot of leggings. I thought that leggings would probably be the thing that I'm wearing the most, so here we go. First pair, I just have my black Lululemon Align, is that what they are? I have this like dusty purple color from Fabletics, and then I have those same ones in this emerald green color. More Fabletics leggings. These are like a berry color, but they're kind of like heathered with black, which is fun. These are the mauve snake print Varley leggings that I was talking about. These ones are super nice, and they're the ones that I'm gonna wear with that nude sports bra, a lavender pair of Fabletics leggings, and then I have another snake print. These are the snake print ones that are by the same brand as that red set, so have these as well. I have a lot of leggings, okay? In terms of athletic tops, I have this little Adidas crop top shirt. It's pretty cute. This tank top from Fabletics, it's really airy and matches everything. This is a super soft, really cute kind of crossover mock wrap top from Aloe, really nice. And then for sports bras, I have one from Nike, this one from Aloe, and then I have the matching bra for that lavender set and the matching bra for that snake print set. I also wanted to pack some tops to wear if it was more of a cute outfit day rather than an athletic outfit day. So I have this black kind of button up, snap up bodysuit. This is just by Redone. I just wanted to pack my favorite black and white t-shirts. The white one's in here somewhere. These are also by Redone, but they're just like really cute, slightly cropped, but they don't show any skin, and I just thought they would be good to bring. I have this little rag and bone graphic tee, this baby blue bodysuit from Super Down, this little tank top from Reformation. I have this green knit tank from Forever 21. And then lastly, I thought this top would be good if I was ever going out at night. I'm pretty sure in Cusco people go out, so I just have this little silky tank, and I thought this would be cute layered over the white t-shirt as well if I wanted to wear it during the day. I also wanted to pack this little sweater that I have. It's pretty lightweight, but it's still warm, and if it's a little bit chilly, I think this would be perfect. This is from Subdued. Okay, and then I wanted to bring 3 pairs of jeans. So I have this regular pair from Girlfriend, and then I wanted to bring my thrifted Levi's. These ones are a lot more of a loose fit. Those ones are a little bit tighter, so I have these. And then I also have a black pair from Boyish. Okay, so that is the clothing I have. I do still need to pack pajamas or something like that, but I'm sure that will just be small. In terms of shoes, I'm really not trying to bring too many pairs. I'm definitely bringing the hiking pair that I showed you. And then I also have these cute ones from PS 821. I got these on the website Foray. But these are really, really comfortable for walking, but they're also cool and trendy. So I thought I would pair these with the majority of my cute outfits. And then I also wanted to bring just these little slide-on sandals from Princess Polly because these are really easy, and I thought these would just come in handy and would be good for other outfits as well. And then obviously I'm going to bring my laptop and my cameras and all of that stuff, but I don't have that packed yet. I'm going to bring that in my backpack, but just so you guys know, that stuff is of course coming with me. If you guys are as crazy as an overpacker as I am, please let me know so I don't feel bad, because right now I'm looking at this and I'm kind of thinking I'm crazy, but I'm sure I'm going to change multiple times a day based on what we're doing. So I feel like this is fine. Yeah, so that is how far I am currently in the packing process. I'm so excited for my trip. Definitely follow up with all my social media handles as well as my channel for vlogs and content for my trip. It's going to be so much fun, and thank you so much to Kontiki for making this possible. As always, I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!